Hey everyone and welcome back! In this video tutorial, we will show you how to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Word. So, let's dive right in. This error appears when Word can't verify your product license. This could be due to a few reasons. Sign-in issue, conflicting installations, subscription expiry. So, let's fix this issue. On your computer, click on This PC. Then, click on the local disk C. Now here, click on the Program Files or Program Files, x86, to find the Microsoft Office installation folder. Now here, click on the Microsoft Office folder. Now here, you will find a folder named Office 16. Simply open this folder. Here, locate a file, OSPPREARMEXE. Right-click on this file. From the options, choose Run as Administrator. After that, run this file 3 to 4 times. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the product activation failed error in Microsoft Word and get back to working on your documents. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.